On Wednesday, Neelesh Suryavanshi, clutching a bottle of cough syrup that had sent his 3-year-old son to a hospital more than 100 kilometers away with acute kidney damage, still held hope that the boy might escape the fate of 18 others who died after taking the same toxic medicine in the past month. A day later, he was burying him. His son, Mayank, had been battling for survival for weeks after being given Coldriff cough syrup, now linked to the deaths of 19 children in Chhindwara, of central Indian state of Madhya Pradesh.
ये नागपुर में आया हूँ। मेरा बच्चा बहुत ज़्यादा सीरियसली है, इसलिए मैं यहाँ पे नागपुर में आया।
क्या हुआ बच्चे को, इतना सीरियस क्यों है?
मेरा बच्चे की तबीयत ख़राब हुई थी, तो मैंने प्राइवेट में उसका ट्रीटमेंट कराया था। वो सायरप दिया डॉक्टर ने, ये वाला सायरप दिया मेरे को, और क्या बोलते इसको, इससे मेरा बच्चे की हालत ज़्यादा गंभीर हो गई, उल्टी चालू हो गई, यूरिन नहीं होने लगी थी। तो डॉक्टर ने टेस्ट किया, 4000 का टेस्ट किया। उसके बाद डॉक्टर बोलता है कि आपको नागपुर में इलाज कराना पड़ेगा, आपके बच्चे की किडनी ख़राब हो चुकी है।
Officials said the children, all under 5 years of age, died after consuming Sresan Pharma's Coldriff syrup containing toxic diethylene glycol in quantities nearly 500 times the permissible limit. The Coldriff medicine brand was banned after a test confirmed the presence of the chemical on October 2nd. S. Ranganathan, owner of the company that manufactured the syrup, was arrested on Wednesday in Chennai.